Tired of dirt and grime getting tracked into your RV? This outdoor rug from RVGUARD is a total game changer, and here's why. So before we get into it, let me show you what I had here before. I used to have this grass style outdoor carpet, and it looked amazing when I first got it. And to be transparent, we loved it. But after about a year, the sun just destroyed it. It started falling apart like a cheap phone case that shattered the first time you dropped it. And I ended up having to replace it more than once. That's when I knew I needed something more durable. So that's why I was so excited when RVGUARD sent me this outdoor rug, because if it holds up like they say, it's going to be a total game changer. Hi everyone, welcome to the Best How To by Clem, and I'm Clem. If you're into the RV life, or if you're looking to have your campgrounds to be very comfortable, then you've come to the right place. So RVGUARD reached out to me and sent this outdoor carpet for me to try out. And let me tell you, it already looks like a big game changer. Let's see how it holds up. They specialize in high quality RV gear, designed to make life on the road just a little bit easier. So this rug is supposed to be durable, waterproof, and easy to clean up. So let's see if it lives up to all this hype. Let's go check it out. All right, so first impression, I have to tell you, this box feels real lightweight. It probably feels maybe less than 10 pounds. So let's go check it out. What we have here looks like a bag to store it when you're ready to pack. Wow, and it's all gonna fit right in here. See how that goes. Here it is, guys. Let me pull this sucker out. I'm gonna put it in this bag. There's plenty of room. Look at that. This is pretty nice. So nice carrying bag when you want to stow it away. And there's plenty of room to put other stuff if you like. Oh, look at there. You get some stickers. And then you get a few stake downs to hold it down because of the wind. And check this out. RVGUARD. So this is who's sponsoring our video today. All right, so first impressions, this thing feels solid. And it's heavy enough that even with this wind and all that, it's not just gonna be flopping all over the place, but still light enough that you can carry it with you. It's probably less than 10 pounds, and you can easily roll it back up again in order to stow it away into that bag. So I love the colors. It's the gray and white. I love the pattern and also the texture, but soft enough to be barefooted. It's going to look great anyways at the campsite. As you can see, it's super easy to set up. Just roll it out and then get the edges down. I use the cleats simply because Florida winds, as you can tell here, sometimes can get crazy. But I was doing it myself, and I probably got her done in about 5 minutes. If I had another person, I probably could have had this done in about 2 minutes. So it's pretty easy to set up. The edges are reinforced, as you can tell, and where it won't fray on you. And so what's nice is you can put the spikes wherever you want. By having this here, it makes the campsite look so much better. Depending on what you have in the foundation, we have the pea gravel here, and really it's not bad. Like it. I like it a lot. So now let's go ahead and put it to the test. We're going to try the waterproofing to see how it beads. So I am going to put this paper towel here just to see. how much the water goes through. So we're going to take this here. Oh yeah, so you see how the water's beating up? I'm going to get you closer. So it's beating up. So now let's just see if my paper towel got wet. Yep. So water does go through, but at the same time it beats up, and you can see it. So you can see the paper towel is wet. So it is weaved, but it still leaves a bead on here. So which means it should be easy to clean up. And this is how I would do it. I'll just use my rigid blower. Boom. That's how easy it was. So you know, when it comes to camping, one of the biggest issues is dirt, grime, tracking it into your RV. But that shouldn't be a problem here. Let's test it out. Now, you do have options. You can use your water hose it off, or you can just pick it up and then shake it off. But I'm gonna go ahead and use my nice handy blower. So we have some little bit of rock, a little bit of leaves, just to kind of show you how easy. Dirt will be something similar. I think this is going to be a great addition to any campground. And I like it that's easy to maintain, easy to clean, and especially that the water beads right on it. And it's durable. Have you ever camped without a rug before? You know it can be very annoying when it comes to the dirt and grime coming into the RV. This rug solves that problem, and it makes this whole space feel like home. Plus, this material is breathable, as you can see. It's weaved, water can go right through, but it also beads, and it's two-sided. So the colors will be reversed, and it's mold and mildew resistance, and also UV resistance. So you don't have to worry about getting it wet. To be transparent with you, it's one of those small upgrades that you would appreciate when it comes to the RV life. Now, remember, we're putting it through the paces. We're gonna see in how long this will last. So if you wanna grab one of these rugs for yourself, run over to RVGUARD. The link will be down below, as you can see it here. And here's the best part. RVGUARD gave me a discount code for all you guys, all of our subscribers, right here below. It's CLEM15. So you guys can get a 15% discount on all your products. Now notice, I didn't say just on the carpet, it's all the products that they carry. You'll get a 15% discount. So thank you, RVGUARD, for that. But don't wait too long, because this deal may not last too long. So go check it out in the description below. Now let me know in the comments below if you purchase any RVGUARD products. And also let me know in the comments below if there's a certain setup that you would like for me to review from RVGUARD. I'll drop the details in the description below. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this content, and also share it with your friends. Oh, stay tuned, because I have a video coming up soon on how to save time and money when it comes to the yearly caulking on your RV on the roof, which you don't want to miss. You might like this other video, which it has to do with wireless remote control for the overhead lights in your bedroom. Sometimes they're hard to reach, and instead of trying to stretch yourself, you can do it remotely. And I'll show you step by step on how to do that. So it'll kick up your RV life to another level. So check it out.